Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. Thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video on mileage. Everyone is worried of the fuel price going up day by day and they would like to get more mileage from the car. There are following measures and precautions to be taken for getting more mileage from your car. Number one, you should see that your maintenance of the car is done perfectly. Then you should make sure that the tire pressure in the car is as per the company norms. If you open the door on the right side, you'll find the pressure gauge. Front how much, back how much. That is the pressure you should maintain. Then when you are driving your car in city or highway or anywhere, what you should do is you should see that you come on the maximum gear, the 5th gear or the 6th gear, and you should maintain consistent speed. For example, you are at 40 or 50, maintain the same speed. Or if you are on 60 to 80, 60 to 70, maintain the same speed. Consistency in the speed and on the top gear where you get more mileage. Same way, you should pour fuel at a good fuel station, because there is a lot of fuel adulteration happening which loses your mileage. So make sure you choose your petrol bunk and consistently pour it there only. And another thing is you should see that the car engine tuning, like for example you start the car and your engine is revving, that means the tuning is not perfect. Make sure your car tuning is done perfect and you get very good mileage with it. These are the measures and precautions to be taken to get the maximum mileage in your car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.